How's it going?
All right, just did some pressure washing. Get as much paint off as I could with the pressure washer.
Is it working?
That's all that it did. Just took very little bit off. But that's how we'll leave it. Let's see if we get the water out.
It is what it is, huh?
It is what it is. So it didn't really get too much off the top, but I'll probably have to scrub it again. The inside I'm not really worried about too much, but I'll probably go over the on here some more. Here's well. All right, guys, so pressure washer's not working, so we're gonna throw this on here. We're gonna pressure wash it another day. We just don't have time to redo everything. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do the wiring or not either. We'll see how everything works. We're gonna go ahead and bolt everything back on and kind of go from there. Okay, we're doing a little electrical work here. I want to take all these little connectors here out. I'm just gonna splice them. I think it'll be a better option.
Packing up. It was the night before no-do.
And we're rushing to get things done. But I had an issue I was telling you before about the rims I had. I purchased some rims on eBay. One of the rims was bent. It was all wobbling. So I was having an issue going back and forth. Anyway, I'm returning them. I got some other ones here at Harbor Freight. And we're going this route instead.
I had to pay more money, but
yeah, it was like $20 more, but hey, when I was in a pinch, so need to do it quick.
speaking of pinch, looks like you rewired everything, and I ran out of zip ties.
Okay.
So
I meant to grab some more. Yeah.
most of it's hanging, so we'll just have to do that side. Got most of our stuff packed. Got a few odds and ends to put in there still. And then attach it to the Beetle. Wow, look at that. Trailer hitch.
From VW Jawbreaker. Thanks again, Gary.
Just like that. Let's see, like that. There we go. This will turn on.
Lights?
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, I gotta get the clips for all this. The Coleman is loaded. We're ready to go. First Coleman trip.
Coleman Caboose in action.
Yeah. Let's go and unlock this.
Little thing came in handy, huh?
Heck yeah, it did.
I think there's room for more too.
Yeah, we do. We didn't pack everything in there.
Rolling out. It's the new grocery getter.
All right. Let's attach the trailer.
This is the second trip of our Coleman Caboose trailer. The first trip went well. Even with it fully loaded down, didn't even notice it being pulled by the Beetle.
Packed to the gills, as they say.
Perfect.
All right. Packed and ready to go.
All right, guys. Bugs in the Bayou bound. We're packed and ready to go.
Always make sure your trail lights are operating as they should. It's all fun and games until VW Jawbreaker takes your caboose.
Oh, you didn't take it with you?
I thought you took it with you.
Uh-huh.
The Coleman Caboose did great on the 700-mile round trip. It towed great. I highly recommend these trailers to anyone. They're 154 pounds. If you can find a Coleman Caboose trailer, jump on it.
Sweet.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.